Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this fully loaded 2008 Tiffin Allegro Bay 38 TGB Fred, which is the front engine turbo diesel motorhome. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 38 feet 10 inches, and the exterior height to the brand new dual AC units is 12 feet 7 inches. The owner just mowed the lawn, so I'm tracking grass in, so I'm gonna have to take off my shoes when I get up on this mat. Give you an idea of the floor plan while I'm doing that. This is fully loaded triple slide coach, full walk-on fiberglass roof, dual pane windows, full body paint, 340 Cummins ISB Turbo diesel engine, 620 foot-pounds of torque, sitting on the Freightliner chassis with the 6-speed Allison transmission. There we go. All right. Start off in the living room. First slide out is going to be a super slide. Accommodates the ultra leather sleeper sofa and the freestanding table and chairs and the 4-door refrigerator with ice maker. Sofa is in excellent condition. Both sofas are actually in excellent condition and ultra leather. And the table, this leaf pulls out, and there are probably 2 extra chairs somewhere around here collapsed. Show off the fabrics on the chairs. There is no wear and tear on any of the furniture. Definitely inside is really clean. Refrigerator is going to be an option. This size, standard was 8 cubic foot. This may be 12 or 18 cubic foot. It's a Dometic refrigerator, gas and electric. Here's your ice maker. Entertainment center area. This coach is equipped with 3 TVs and they are flat screens. 08, that was a big deal. Color of the cabinets are probably going to be some kind of a maple. Solid surface countertops all throughout this coach. All right, this is going to be a second slide out. So another super slide accommodates the kitchen and the second ultra leather sleeper sofa. Show off the solid surface countertops. Definitely the best countertops you're going to find in a coach. And you do have solid surface backsplash. Tiffin does a great job on all their cabinets and kitchen countertops. Tiffin does definitely some of the best cabinets in the industry. You do have dual pane windows all throughout with the day-night shades, and I will point out in the first slide out, 3 of the windows are fogging up because the seals broke on the dual pane windows. And that was pretty common, unfortunately, for 08 Tiffins, 09s, and 10s. They just had a few problems with some of their dual panes. But these are the only ones that are showing some fogginess. It's not an issue, really. I just find it important to point out. I also want to point out there's a scratch here on the floor from the slide out. And anyway, I guess in the past, one of the wheels or something was hitting the floor. It's just cosmetic. Anyway, find it important to point out. Let's speed up this video a little bit. Walking back into the master bedroom. Have to go through the walk-through bath. Huge vanity area here. Lots of counter space. Again, solid surface countertop. And again, solid backsplash. Glass enclosed shower. The shower is a 1-piece fiberglass shower. Nice seating area. Again, the coach is dirty. This coach has not been detailed. I put a rush on it to get it listed. A little dusty on the inside, and got some bugs on the front on that 1-piece windshield I'll show you. Fantastic vent fans all throughout. Soft touch vinyl ceiling. Foot flush porcelain toilet. It's a little dusty back behind that toilet. Alright. Walking into the master bedroom, this is going to be the third slide out. Queen bed slides out. This is a ultra plush sleep number bed. Here's a controls for that. Bed does lift up. There's storage up underneath. Beautiful headboard, by the way. It's that microfiber finish on the headboard. Looks like reader lights. And 110 outlets on each side of the bed. Full walk around queen bed. Spin around here. Lots of closet space, storage space. Another flat screen TV right there. Nice pocket door. Closes off. Solid wood pocket door. For privacy from the master bedroom into the bedroom. Or master bath into the bedroom. And I already showed that. Alright. Almost forgot the best part. Combo washer and dryer unit by Splendid. In your closet here. And again, fantastic vent fan. And another fantastic vent fan in the kitchen. Cockpit area here, you have a third flat screen TV. And your seats are going to be ultra leather, the flex steel. Excellent condition. 6-way power, I believe. And they do spin around. Six-way power seat right there for the co-pilot. Nice little doggy window, and basically check your blind spots. Cockpit area here, you have your, starting from the right, auto leveling right there, little map light button right there off to the right. Stereo, easy to figure out. Your 4 buttons just below that. Auxiliary start button, which is ties your house and chassis battery together in case you have a dead battery. Radio button, and you do have power shades for driver and passenger side. Those are the buttons there. Thermostat controls right here. Just above the thermostat controls is your backup camera monitor. 6-speed Allison 2100 transmission. Best you can get. Freightliner chassis. Start up the engine, show off the mileage. Just under 9,000 miles. Let's see if we can get it in here. 8,859 miles currently on the coach. Coach is equipped, as I said, with the 340 horsepower Cummins ISB Turbo diesel engine. 620 foot-pounds of torque. Can't get in back behind the steering wheel, but off to the left here, these are your buttons for your wipers. This is going to be your exhaust brake, generator start and stop button, controls for your power remote chrome heated mirrors. This is going to be the hours on the Jenny. I'll show you outside. 453 hours currently on the generator, and map lights. Anyway, let's turn off this generator so we can go outside. I do also want to point out this is going to be your buttons for your holding tanks. Check where you're on your holding tanks, and slide out buttons for the living room. This is going to be your Xantrax. It's you have an energy management system, and you have an 1800 watt inverter on this coach. This is going to be your satellite. Owner has a portable satellite somewhere around here. All right, try to put my shoes back on, give you a last look of the coach inside. The only reason why the owner is selling the coach is because they are done RVing. All right, back up here, show off that full body paint. Best paint job you're going to get, hands down, on a coach in 2008. Definitely, Tiffin has the best paint process. In 2008, that's actually when they actually just revamped their whole painting facility. All right, beautiful front cap. Huge one-piece windshield. It's dirty. Beautiful chrome heated mirrors. Tires were put on in 2018. The front ones are going to be show off the manufacturing date on the tires. A little 4-digit little circle here with 4 digits in it. I don't know if you can see it. It says 3917, which is the 39th week of 2017. They were installed in 2018, and the owner says there's only 500 miles on the tires. and they are in excellent condition from what I can see. Huge power awning, 18-foot power awning. Beautiful paint job. Baggage doors are going to be insulated, and all your baggage doors all come out with the slide out, so you don't have to bust your back. Definitely convenient. This coach is equipped with heated holding tanks. Little door here off to the side in case you want to put skis or whatever, poles, whatever, slide all the way through. Definitely nice. 22.5s with wheel simulators. Let me see if I can show the manufacturing date on this. Okay, the front ones are matching and the rear ones are matching. Rear ones are were made the 15th week of 2017. This coach is equipped with a full walk-on fiberglass roof, LP tank, big LP tank. Not sure what the size is. You do have dual 30,000 BTU furnaces, brand new dual, I believe 15,000 BTU AC units. They were installed actually in 2018. All the slide-out seals were all replaced in 2018, and the batteries were replaced in 2018. Beautiful rear molded fiberglass cap, painted fiberglass cap with backup camera, ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof. And this is going to be your hitch, 5,000 pound hitch rating. Show off that underneath there. Little boo-boo scratch right here. Little touch-up paint. Clean that up pretty good. You did the full awning package on this coach. See if I could show off that paint job. It's just super sharp. Onan generator on this coach. I'll open it up and show you what the size is on it. This is your water hookups, easy to service. There's your water pump right there in case you have any problems with your water pump. Outside shower, all the good stuff, easy to figure out. This coach is 50 amp service. Little dink right here on this door too. And if I remember right, that's really the only issue that I found cosmetically, which is really no big deal, but it's the only thing I really found that I think would probably be a concern to an owner, to a buyer. All right, this generator, 6,000 Onan diesel generator, and this is on a pull-out slide tray for servicing. That is definitely cool. That's where you hook up your hoses, and looks like I forgot to point out the central vac system on this. It was that dirt double box in there, 22.5s. Usually you get 19.5s on coaches like this. It does have the big tires. I tell you, these baggage doors sliding out with the slide out, definitely convenient on your back. And that's see if I can show you. I mean, that's pretty much, it's about a 10-foot long baggage door. And again, you got this little door here off to the side. If you want to load up poles and all that, you get the idea on that. Let me focus a lot on the condition of the outside. Dual pane windows, that was a big deal on this coach. Full body paint, another huge deal. Oh, driver's side door with power window. Easy to go through, toll booths, stuff like that. Definitely cool. Show off that Cummins ISB 340 horsepower badge right there. And you do, I forgot to point out, side view camera package. You turn on your turn signal and the camera image shows up on your monitor in the dash. Ton of stuff on this coach. Fiberglass roof, one-piece windshield, dual pane windows. Freightliner chassis is a big deal. Allison 6-speed transmission, another huge deal. And definitely the 340 horsepower Cummins ISB Turbo diesel engine. I think I got everything. No, I probably didn't. I know I didn't. These Tiffins have a ton of stuff. Anyway, if you want to come and see the coach, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.